we're doing the gas lab. This lab is 4 parts, but you don't have to follow an order. You can start with part B, C, D, whatever you want, okay? So for part A, we're gonna gather a heating plate. They are over there on the side of the lab. And we need 2 beakers. The large beakers are on the other side of the lab, okay? So what are we gonna do? We're gonna add water and we're gonna start heating these up, the water. And then we're gonna go to this side of the lab where all our materials are, and we're gonna take a balloon. Some of these balloons are already inflated for you. If they are not, just make sure that you have it like this size, okay? Once that we have this, the balloon and the water is hot, using not your hands, the water is gonna be hot. So try to, we have tonsils over there, so you can just push it down the water, the hot water, and see what happens to the balloon, right? Remove it from it, and you have a beaker here with ice and water. So what you're gonna do, remove it from the heat and place it here in the ice water and see what happens to it. All right, so yes, sir?
What happens if the balloon pops?
No, it won't, because you're gonna put it like this, okay? And you just wanna put it in water enough to see what is happening, okay? For part B, yeah, exactly, that's what should happen. For part B, we're gonna go again to this side of the lab, and we're gonna take a sidearm flask. It looks like this. Make sure that it has a cap. We need a hose, a plastic hose. They are here, and we're gonna take 1 piece of marshmallow. Do not eat this. This is all it takes that. Okay, so you're gonna take this and connect it to the yellow one in your bench. All right, once that is connected, you just open it and see what happens to the marshmallow once that the vacuum is on. All right, so that's it. You're just gonna grab your observations there. For part C, you're gonna take a can. They are over there at the end. You're gonna put around 10 milliliters of water. You're gonna put it in the heating plate, and you're gonna heat it up until you see vapor coming out of the can. Once that you have done so, we have mittens also there. So you take a mitten, you put it in your hand, you take the can and you invert the can in a large beaker that has ice and water, and you see what it will happen. And the last part, we're gonna build a graph, okay? And this graph is gonna be pressure and volume. So all of you have one of these. They are over here in these containers. You just plug it in and you connect this probe. All right? So let me show you. You have this syringe over here, right? With this syringe, you're just going, and here is the pressure. So what you're gonna do is just change the volume in the syringe and read the pressure. So the syringe is 20 ml. So you can record 20 ml and record your pressure. Then change it to maybe 17. See what happens to the pressure, maybe 15, and like that, and see what is happening every time you reduce the volume in your syringe. Once that you have done that, you just grab your data and we're good. Thank you.